Okay, VF-4SS, serial number 1146033, build date 01/2018. Next generation control, no power. Next generation control, 4th and 5th axis, options. The cabinet is very, very, very filthy. You can tell they were running it with the door open because of probably an amplifier overheating. Machine is on aluminum blocks, feet not located. Air lube cabinet. There's another This machine is also missing the Z-axis weight cover, some corrosion on the enclosure. The side window is broken on both sides. The safety glass is intact on both sides. This has the extended Z, it looks like, the flat table for the trunnion. Climb in here and find this rubber. And got some corrosion, but not as bad as the other one behind the missing Z-axis weight cover.